always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
I think yesterday morning, going into the day, we were actually running a half-inch deficit in terms of rainfall for May and Grand Rapids. Yeah, we took care of that. So much so, we have a flood warning out there. Many areas, rivers and streams, of course, at bankful and probably will continue to rise, but a little bit of a positive trend, though, showing up on the radar. Well, you're probably thinking, well, how can it be positive? We still have some heavy rain out there to moderate rain, but this heavier rain is now shifting further east, and it's not falling over areas that received already the heaviest of the rain. But right now, you can see around the Charlotte area, Battle Creek over towards the Jackson area, and also almost into Lansing, another batch of some heavier rain. This is moving basically south to north, should arrive right around the I-96 corridor, sometime right around the 12:30 time frame, Ionia, for instance, in the Portland area. So if you're traveling east out of Grand Rapids, well, you're going to run into some heavier rain. Okay, you notice a broad swirl right in through here. This is a large area of low pressure aloft and also at the surface, and basically an unimpeded flow of moisture coming right from the Gulf of Mexico. That's why we had so much heavy rain, and that feed still continues. It's just shifted a little bit further to the east. The reason why the area of low pressure is going to move a little bit further to the east. Okay, pushing forward throughout the rest of the day, where is the heaviest rain going to be? Well, thankfully, again, further off to the east, but still some impressive amounts could fall anywhere from the Lansing, Mount Pleasant area towards Ann Arbor of 1 to 3 inches worth. We're looking at a futurecast showing pretty much where that heavier rain is going to be, just east of the Grand Rapids area over towards Ann Arbor and Jackson. This area of low pressure will slowly drift to the south and east, but we'll be close enough to it tonight and even into the first portion tomorrow. We'll still have some spotty, lighter rain showers. I think the heavier rain is going to be further off to the south. Fair amount of clouds out there, but as we end the day, I'm hoping maybe a little bit of sunshine as we get closer to the sunset time frame. Better chance of that will be in the northern counties. This is what we get for now. A lot of gray skies out there with a brisk east to northeast wind. Temperature currently only right around 57 degrees in Grand Rapids. We'll top out probably right around 60 to 62 degrees this afternoon. Even this time of year with the east to northeast wind, it's not a warm wind by any means. 8-day forecast featuring a nice warming trend accompanied with what we really need is some drier air, and that'll be Wednesday, Thursday into Friday with readings likely nudging into the 70s by that point. We could even see 70 on Wednesday if we get a little more in the way of sunshine. We'll see if we can push that up a little bit, but the Memorial Day weekend looks quite warm, but just a pop-up shower thunderstorm possible. Nothing like what we had on Sunday in our first 80s in the forecast for Sunday as well. Looking at the 8 to 14-day temperature outlook, good to see that in terms of the warmth, but at the same time, looks like above average amounts of precipitation as well. That we do not need.
And we're going to need some of those warmer temperatures to dry us out from the last couple days.
I do agree.
All right. Thanks, Matt.